How to crop an image in Figma. So let's get started. If you haven't yet added your image, you can check a video on the right top corner of this iCard, and that is where you can learn how to add an image. So once you've added an image, you can simply follow this video through. So all you have to do to crop your image is first select the image layer in the canvas or the layers panel. So simply tap into the image like here, and all you have to do is double tap, and now this option will appear. All you have to do is crop it down to your desired size, or you'll see handle around the edges. Click and drag this handle to adjust the crop areas as needed. After you're happy with the crop, so let me just adjust this one. Alright, I'm gonna make it bigger and crop it like this. And yeah, once you're happy with it, you can simply hit enter, and this will be your final image. So that's how you crop an image in Figma. Easy, right? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more design tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.